Hi guys, sometimes my customers ask me how to clean our coffee grinders, and we just need some cleaning brushes. The first is the cleaning for the adjuster, just brush it with the brush. Then let's clean the steel burr, anti-clockwise to disassemble the parts. And put it one by one. This is to avoid the long reassembling for the parts. After cleaning, and clean the steel burr with the brush very easy. Can also clean the inside. And the tip is that don't wash the coffee grinder with water. So if you would like to know more about the tips for the coffee grinder, just contact me. Bye bye.